here in Raceland, Louisiana, and we got a very, very special guest, Mr. Kevin James.
What's up?
You might know him from I now pronounce you Chuck and Larry and King of Queens. I don't know how the hell I got him in the boat.
I lost a little weight.
He's an avid fisherman, and most people don't know this, but he's actually from Louisiana.
Chaw.
Ciao. Spit fish for over here, but still. I want to catch some big old bull brown. Oh, that's a good one, Taylor. Taylor, what the fuck is that? Bring it in, bring it in, bring it in. Look at that big old chickapin, boy. Oh, don't throw that motherfucker back. Oh, just where was he at? He was up in there?
Yeah. Well, took it down too.
They might have more than one.
Further back.
Further back?
Yeah.
Hold on,
I'm gonna see while you're there.
Bravo. Was taking it, huh?
Yeah, you're right.
Oh, Drew. That's him. Oh shit. Yeah. Where them big bulls? That might be a keeper. Oh yeah. That's what I'm looking for.
Got one?
Yep. Oh shit! He almost made it back in the water.
I keep on getting like thumb off.
Got him. Well, if it's too small, maybe.
How big was it? Good enough for that?
Huh? Yeah, he was a little bit smaller than that last one I caught, but still plenty big enough to fillet. That's number 5. Oh man, I thought this was gonna be a monster.
I got a good spot here, but I was just put small one.
I thought that the way that one took it down, you know how them redfish take it down? I can't even get close to the damn tree. Bro, you on a school of them for sure. Be nice if they were all just monsters. Hey, yeah, they're getting bigger. These little sunfish ones. I was able to keep 2 of these last time. They got big enough. Probably come back. Watch, pitch. You got a speed crawl on? I'll say, pitch straight back. You might be able to get a goggle on that thing. He caught something back up in here last time with his bass bait. There he is. Come on in here. That's what I'm talking about. Tastes like chicken. I ain't gonna taste like no damn chicken I ever have. They're eating the wrong kind. Ooh, that might be. That's a good one. That's a real good one. Oh yeah, that's a chickapin. Hold on. I'm about to loop us around and try that spot. They might have a couple of them right there. Bro, they got a bunch of them right here. I just want another nice one. Oh, them up way worse than that. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Here, switch with me real quick. Oh shit. Oh shit. That big one? Damn. Might be a school little ones. Taylor, look at this.
Oh,
That's what I'm talking about. That's too cool, man.
that is cool.
Huh? First brim on a fly. Taylor, look.
God damn. Bro, it's like better than what you were doing with the regular worm.
Damn. Second one on the fly. There he is. Ooh, that's a real good one. Dude, this is crazy. If I catch another one, you want to try it? Huh? You popped it? Oh, like way down the spool.
Yeah.
Not a terrible one. Ooh, that's a good one. Oh man. Thought it was a good one. Oh, you got a good one. Shit, yeah. Keep that chaw.
Oh, that's why you're talking about mine, and then you caught one.
Well, yeah, you're right. Yeah,
You got one?
Yeah, you're right. Oh, yeah, you're right.
Sounds like a big one.
That's a good one. That's a monster. They're right there, too.
Huh?
Next to that tree right there.
Yeah, I thought this type of tree right here would be good.
I thought so, too. I see a gator. I see two gators. Oh, shit. Oh.
Yo.
Throw that one to the camera. Hold on. Hold on, I got one, too.
Yeah, you're right. Oh. Chaw.
Look at this monster. That's what you eat that.
Quick, turn the camera to it.
Huh?
That's a quick.
Oh.
Yo.
Oh, yeah. That's why I put it on this one.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, shit. Look at the camera.
Oh, shit.
Whoops. They're right there, too. Taylor, it's not a redfish.
I know it's a bass.
Huh?
It's a bass.
Oh. This is how we spend about half of our day. Taylor in the damn tree.
Yeah, you're right. Well, folks. Appreciate that.
Let's go ahead and pull us over there. That's a good one.
Shit.
Oh man, lucky.
You don't lose them. Boy.
Oh, that's a good one. Hold on, camera. Hold on. think they scratched some in my nose.
Oh.
And my nose was bleeding, dude. That used to be so miserable, man.
Well, yeah.
Oh, dude, I got him. Thought he had me hung up. Might be a keeper. Oh, that's a keeper for sure. Throw right there, Taylor. Get up against that tree. Shit, we should've came here first. Oh, don't bust my ass. Don't bust my ass. That's where he was, bro. You alright?
You've been busting your ass and you saying I'm alright.
That's a good one. Oh, he got in the grass. Oh, he's not as good as I thought. He'll keep though.
You'll say you look like
You laughing at me? Dude, everyone I caught in here has been a keeper.
Yeah, damn it.
You can make it right there. I had a bite. Oh, I got another one. Oh yeah. Another good one, Taylor. I tell you, bro. There's not as many in here, but they all bull brand. Nibble. Oh, you bastard. He's on it. What is it?
That's a bass. That was a bass.
Dude, that was a big old brim. Or catfish. Man, I didn't say yeah, you're right. God dog it. That's...
Yeah, you're right. You did say yeah, you're right.
Got another one.
The f is that, bro? You still got it. You still got it.
Watch out. He's off. Dude, what the was that? Dude, that was a monster. Whatever that was. I don't know, man. That probably was. What the hell, bro? See, I got another one. That first one was a big old brim. This pole sucks ass. It rolled over like a shoe pig, kind of. That's a good one. Oh, no, that's just a little goggle eye. Like a little goggle eye roofer, man. Yeah. There we go.
Yeah, buddy.
Don't slam the damn eye.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, you're right. This is a cool spot if we can get back there. Oh my goodness.
Oh, even better. Oh, that's dude. That's like
I don't think it's a
paperwork.
Big one. I don't think it's a big one unless it starts. Oh yeah, it might be decent. Oh yeah. If you That's a good one.
Damn.
I gotta tighten this damn drag up. That's a female. Big old female. Yeah, you're right. Oh shit.
Just get your Glock out.
Get the what?
Your Glock. Say, man. Feeling bad?
I can't believe it. Are they shot on fire? Oh, bro, you gotta quit it. I don't care if they're bass fishing or not. That's not what you do.
I know.
Look at this, don't. Look at this. This is what you don't do. Look at this shit.
They don't know anything. Walking up and down the tower or something, huh? That worked?
That ain't shit, man. Oh, Taylor.
Something.
That's a good one, bro. Hold that in front of the camera. Get out of there. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you're right. Dude, look how I caught him, too.
Barely underneath the lip.
The skin, dude.
I guess we gotta do an outro, Catherine said. Like, yeah, some videos have an intro and an outro.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know what the outro would be. Maybe.
Well, guys, it was a fun day. We didn't catch much of anything but a red ass, but hey! Go home, take a nap, you know what I'm saying?
Alright, ended up with, how much you said, Taylor? 24?
24 and a catfish.
24 brim and a catfish. I think that Taylor caught the biggest of the day. Chickapin, a little bit bigger in my hand. Actually, it's a lot bigger in my hand. My hand's pretty big. What you think about the day, Taylor?
Yeah, you're right.